I'm here today with Empties. I have a ton of products here that I'm gonna share with you, tell you if I would repurchase them, my thoughts on them, and we're just gonna kind of go through them rather quickly. Let's start out with body wash, or I'm just gonna kind of pull things out, no particular order, but this is a body wash. This is I got it from Target. It is the OGX brand, Argan Oil of Morocco. It smells very good. It's very inexpensive. I still buy Bath & Body Works sometimes, but I just happened to be at Target and needed body wash. So I really like this one. It's huge and it smells delightful. So yes, I would definitely repurchase that. The Glow with the Faux Tarte Tanner, one of my favorites. It is in my top 3 favorite tanners. Love it. Definitely have repurchased it. I think I have like 6 or 7 that I bought on backup when they were doing a friends and family sale. I bought it off their website for 25% off or something like that. So yes, definitely would repurchase that. Ted actually finished this up, the Murad Daily Cleansing Foam. I think he liked it. I'm not a huge cleansing foam kind of gal. I like more of a creamy cleanser. So I personally wouldn't purchase this again. Not that it's a bad cleanser. I just prefer the more creamy cleansers. A dry shampoo, Living Proof. If you guys have followed any of my Empties, this is one of my favorite, especially since I've gone blonde. I feel like it works a lot better for me now because it does have a little bit of a white cast, but now that my hair is lighter, it's just so much easier for me to use dry shampoo. So yes, love that, would repurchase. This is a little bath bomb I got at Target. It's called Da Balm Fun Size Fizzers. The Galaxy Balm, this one made your bath black. It's like a deep black and purple. It's black amber, and it says there's a surprise inside, but I don't know what the surprise was. There was nothing in my bathtub. So I have no clue what the surprise was other than it made my bath really pretty. This is the Garnier wipes. These I just use for swatches. They really don't even take off swatches very well, especially since I've been doing all my declutter series. I went through these pretty fast and really they didn't take off my swatches all that great. So I get sent these in PR a lot, but I personally would not purchase them. These are the ones that I love, the Kirkland wipes. I actually need to buy more of them. I buy them off of Amazon. You can also get them at Costco. They're my favorite. I finished up the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. I do like this cleansing oil. It's not the best one I've ever used, but it's okay. I probably wouldn't repurchase it though. If I'm gonna purchase a cleansing oil, it's gonna be the next one I show you or the MAC one. Those are my favorite. This is the Bye Bye Makeup Cleansing Balm. I just recently decluttered all of my skincare and I was so sad because I was excited to pull this out because I finished this one and this one has gone bad. It smells very, very strong of Play-Doh. When your lip products or skincare products start to smell like a real strong, intense Play-Doh that it almost is offensive to your nose, that's when you know it's gone bad. So I have to toss this and I'm so sad because this is my favorite. I love this cleansing balm. I will be repurchasing that after I finish my other cleansing oils that I have, but I just have so much skincare that I just can't be buying anymore. I'm in this huge declutter, not only with just my makeup and skincare, but my whole house I've been decluttering. And yeah, so anyways, this is a cleanser I do love though. It is the Confidence in a Cleanser by It Cosmetics. Creamy, gentle, takes off all my makeup. Really love that. Would definitely repurchase after I got rid of some of my other cleansers I have. That would be one I would definitely purchase. All right, this is a moisturizer that Ted used. He actually really liked this one. It's by Strivectin Multi-Action Stress Defense Hydrating Water Gel. He has more acne prone skin, a little bit oily. So he really likes the gel type of moisturizers, but he really liked this one. So that's about all I can say about that one. This is a wonderful serum. I got it, I think it was sent in PR, Your Good Skin. I think I've seen this at Ulta. It's their Balancing Skin Concentrate. Really love this, very hydrating. You're supposed to be able to get 28 days of use out of this. I feel like it lasted me longer. It has green tea and vitamin C, loved it. Yes, definitely would purchase that. Again, I have a lot of skincare. I'm not repurchasing any skincare anytime soon, but that would be one that I would repurchase. Same with this, the It Cosmetics Line Serum. You guys know I love this. I actually have 2 backups of this. It's phenomenal. This is what I use in the morning. It's my morning serum. I don't use it at night. I just use it in the morning, mainly because it just smooths out the skin, blurs the skin, and is a great base for your makeup. Same with this. I love this eye cream. It's my morning eye cream, the Bye Bye Under Eyes Eye Cream by It Cosmetics. I think It Cosmetics skincare is some of my favorite products, especially from the brand, but just in general, these 3 are my holy grail skincare products out of all brands. So I really love it. The eye cream, yes, I have a backup, but it's like the only eye cream. If I were to go buy an eye cream and I didn't have a bunch of like eye creams I needed to use up, this is definitely one I will purchase. I have Saints and Sinner leave-in conditioner. I'm not too sure where you can pick this up. It was sent to me in PR. I did like it. I usually use like the It's a 10, but again, I have so many leave-in hair treatments. Right now I'm using one from Kerastase that I really, really like. So this was nice. I would definitely consider purchasing it in the future, but they sent me 3, so I have 2 more still to go through. But I did like it. It did a great job of detangling my hair and leaving it nice and soft and silky. This I will back to MAC. It's one of my favorite perfumes. I've gone through many of these. I've already repurchased. It is MAC Turquoise. It's one of my favorite scents, so yes, love it. Already repurchased it. All right, this is Ted's. This is American Crew Fiber Cream. It's his favorite hair styling product. So if you have a man in your life that is stumped on what kind of hair product to use, the American Crew Fiber Cream is his favorite. The perfume I finished up is this Giorgio Armani Si. I don't know if you can get this exact one anymore, but it smells amazing. I have tried to find this before to link it in like favorites videos, and I had a really hard time finding it. So I think it was discontinued, but it is amazing. I don't know. It doesn't say anything else other than C. But if you can find it, it's a great one. Next is a skin food mask, Aloe. I loved it. This one was from Facetory. I love Facetory. They've sent me a few boxes and it has like 7 masks in it, and I think it's so fun. And they're all so cute. This one's the Lightning Tone Up Mask. Again, loved it. I'm really not picky with sheet masks. I feel like they all kind of work the same on me. They all make my skin feel and look very plump and hydrated, and I'm all about that life. Candy Gumdrop. This was the Candy Johnson edition, or the ones that she came out with them. I've tried quite a few of OGX, and for the most part, I like most of them. This one, however, I didn't like the smell, but that's mainly because I'm not a gumdrop kind of girl. It was sent to me in PR. There were some other scents that I would have probably really liked, but I got sent the gumdrop one, which I'm very thankful that they sent these to me anyways. But I did not like the smell. And besides that, I had this, I got it when I had red hair, and this bled the red out of my hair so fast. So towards the end, when I decided I was gonna go blonde, I just used this all the time because I was trying to fade as much red out. But if you have colored hair, you do not want to use this. This is the, like I said, used OGX many times. You guys have seen them in my empties, especially when I had red hair. None of them stripped my color like this one did. So yeah, if you have colored hair, I wouldn't recommend getting this one in particular, because I mean, after like 3 weeks after I got my hair dyed red the last time, it was still, every shower was just bleeding so much red out of my hair. So if you're trying to strip color, it's good. But if you're trying to keep your color, I definitely wouldn't recommend it. It is supposed to be sulfate free too. So usually sulfate free shampoos I find don't strip my hair, but that one definitely did. Another tanning product is the Versus Spa. Doesn't this look gross? It's like got self-tanner all over it. This is a primer. I really liked this for prepping my skin before I did self-tanner, especially in the winter months when my skin's a little bit drier. Great. It's great to put on your hands, great to put on any areas that tend to be a little dry and kind of suck the self-tanner and really like make you orange in those areas. I did apply this all over my body as well, and it just really did a nice job of hydrating my skin without messing up the self-tanner. Finished up a moisturizing shave gel. This is just from Target. It's fine. I kind of went through this phase where I wanted to use shave gel again instead of just shower gel. So it's fine. I kind of go through phases. I'll probably repurchase at some point. Spray lotion, cocoa butter. I was, again, also into like this spray lotion phase. I'm kind of over it. It's nice. It's semi-hydrating, but not nearly as hydrating as using like a body butter or a normal lotion. So I probably won't repurchase these. It's nice for a quick, like when you need to quickly put lotion on, but I don't know. I probably wouldn't repurchase. Not coconut miracle oil from OGX. I got this at Target. Love it. Smells amazing. Would definitely recommend that and would repurchase it. Oh, these skin glacial cleansing cloths. I do like these. They're really good at getting all of the makeup off of your face, unless you have waterproof mascara or something on. Then it doesn't do so great. The wipes are huge, very saturated and moist. Some more masks. These were also from Facetory. Meringue Cloud Mask and Art Cell Aurora Pearl Mask. So I liked those. These are two products that I'm having to throw out because they went bad. I went to go use these right before I started my declutter, and they both, this one is coming out in an oily liquid and this one smells bad. So this is the Josie Maran Argan Illuminizer. Beautiful, beautiful illuminizer. Love it. Would definitely repurchase it. Same with the Celestial Skin Liquid Light from Kevyn Aucoin. Both are amazing. Would definitely repurchase both of those. They're really good. This Derma E Purifying Detox Scrub, I actually gave this to Ted because if I'm gonna use a scrub, I want it to be really exfoliating. This one didn't have enough scrubbers to the like lotiony liquidy stuff. So this one I don't like, but I do like their other scrub that I've talked about many times that comes in the jar, the micro exfoliant. That one I love from Derma E. This I think is quite an older Derma E product, packaging wise, because they've repackaged since then. I love Derma E, I just didn't like this scrub. These are also Ted's lotions, ones that I gave him. The Pure Elise Pure Moist Hydro Balance Moisturizer for normal dry skin. He liked this one. He said it was really lightweight and it didn't like make his skin oily. And then the Your Good Skin moisturizer, he liked that one too. He's like literally the easiest person. I just give him random stuff and he just uses it, and most of the time he likes it. If he doesn't like it, he'll tell me. This is the body wash and shampoo he uses, Bath & Body Works Suede. There's always a bunch of those because he loves those. The Cup of Warmth, this is a scrub. I love these scrubs from Bath & Body Works. The Shea Butter Body Scrub. This one smelled delicious. I loved it. Definitely would repurchase it. I went and bought a bunch of their scrubs. You'll probably see them in Empties coming up. This is from DHC. It's a deep cleansing oil. This was okay. Would never repurchase this. I don't even know where I got it. But it was just an okay one. I don't even know where DHC is sold. It looked like a Neutrogena one to me by the packaging, but probably would not repurchase that one. Loved this eye cream. It basically, if you try to pull it apart, it's like a little baggie in here, and I just got all of it out. I really like this. I love Sunday Riley products. I would definitely purchase that. This is the Murad Acne Wrinkle Reducer. Ted uses this. He has acne prone skin. He really liked this. We've already repurchased him another one of those. The Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Priming Mist. This is awful. It doesn't prime or prep or fill in my pores. It doesn't do anything. So wouldn't buy that. The Total Temptation Mascara, great mascara. I have a ton of mascaras, but if I didn't and I needed one, I would definitely repurchase this. It's a really, really great mascara if you like kind of more fluffy, natural bristle wand. It also, I think, has coconut oil in it. It's really nice. Physicians Formula, it finally like cracked right around the rim. Fantastic bronzer. I already have one of these in my stash and I love it. So I definitely recommend it. Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Yes, love it. I already have backups of these. Some more Kirkland wipes. You guys know I love those. This is the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C4. Love it. I have the one in C3. C4 is probably my favorite shade. Absolutely love this. But if you watch my declutters coming up, I decluttered concealers and I just have too many to buy new ones, but I would definitely buy this if I needed concealer. The Boots No. 7 Hydro Eye Masks. These are really nice. You can get them at Ulta. I'm pretty sure they have Boots No. 7 and I'm pretty sure they probably have these masks. Really great for depuffing under the eyes. Another concealer, Urban Decay Naked Skin in Light Neutral. If you watch my declutter coming up, also have a bunch of those on hand. These I am throwing away because they've gone bad. This was supposed to be a light pink color, but somehow it has turned white. And this one I can't get to mix. They're the Marc Jacobs Enamored Glosses, which I love. This one is in Pink Steam and Moon Glow, but they've gone bad because they are discolored. And I've had them a while. Okay, the Voluminous Line Noir. Don't care for this, would not repurchase it. It's a felt tip liquid liner. I feel like the Pat McGrath one, the Dior one, Wet n Wild Pro line, the Curvitude one from Maybelline, all of those are much better than this. I also finished up this Catrice. I think I finished two, yeah. Two of these Catrice Slim-Matic Precise Brow Pencils. I love this. It's in medium. you go through it so fast. Like you will finish one of these brow pencils in 2 weeks easily because it's so soft. I love them, but I just go through them way too fast. The Workout 24-Hour Mascara, this was nice. I like the little wand, but I feel like you could just get a waterproof mascara from the drugstore much cheaper and it'll do the same thing. It's a very natural mascara. It doesn't lengthen or separate or volumize or anything. This is a lipstick that I had to declutter. I'm gonna back to MAC it. It's in Close Contact. It just really stinks of Play-Doh. Wonder if this is in the permanent collection because that's just a beautiful, beautiful one. So I want to buy that, repurchase it now that I've decluttered a bunch of lip products I don't use so that I can actually start using products that I do like. But that's in Close Contact. I'll back to MAC it. It's just beautiful. Same with Painterly. This has dried out on me. There's not really very much left anyways. I probably won't repurchase these because I just find I use concealer all the time and that's probably why this went bad. But if you like a nice eye primer, Painterly or Soft Ochre, depending on your undertone, if you're more pinky like I am, Painterly is a great one. But I probably won't repurchase it. I just don't reach for them anymore. I just always reach for my concealer. The Glam Glow Mask, I love it. I have the full size. I use it all the time. So yes, I would repurchase those. I actually have a full size already. The House of Lashes glue, it's my favorite glue. I have many of them. They were $6 at Sephora a few months back, so I bought like 10 of them. Love it. And then some small little perfume samples I used. Lady Gaga Fame. This one was nice. I don't know if I would purchase the full size. The Elizabeth and James Nirvana Black. I have the full size. I've gone through 2 full sizes of this already and I have a 3rd one that I'm using now. Love it, definitely would repurchase. YSL Mon Paris, loved that. I would consider purchasing that one. The Royal Rose Juicy Couture is one of my all-time favorites. You can only get it at Sephora online and it's very expensive. It's like $110. But the Royal Rose one I really, really want. Don't get it confused with the Rosé one. Very different smells. If you like the Rose Argan Body Conditioner from Lush, this smells like that in a perfume. YSL Black Opium, love it. I've already had the full size twice. And the Flower Bomb Viktor and Rolf, I love it. I've already had the full size 3 or 4 times. It's what I wore on my wedding day. Would definitely purchase that. All right, guys, so that is it for my empties. I hope you enjoyed. What are some products you have used lately? Leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up before you leave and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of every new video that comes out. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.